What's up, everyone? Today we're going to go over the best method to study for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. Okay, so first and foremost, I went to Reddit and I studied off the Udemy course, and I was overwhelmed. I didn't know if I was going to pass the exam. Maybe I'm over exaggerating, whatever. Okay, so I go here first, and I would highly suggest to look at the exam guide. If you look at the exam guide, you won't be as scared because there's only 4 domains. Knowing that, you can go make your own study guide. Go to the white paper, go to other white papers, go to GitHub study guide, go to their practice exams, and also exam topics for their exams. And boom, you have a free way to study for the exam and to prepare and pass it. Remember that this exam is made for beginners, so it's totally possible. Now, what if you don't like that? You want an easy pathway because you don't have time. Well, Udemy is the one that I was talking about in the beginning. The first course is recommended by everybody. So I went through it. It's great. It's fine. It's good enough for the exam, right? So you can take their trial on their personal plan, and then if you want to pay the $16.85, boom, pay the $16.85 and go through every single other AWS course. Totally fine. Now, the other stuff like A Cloud Guru that has a yearly and a monthly subscription that is much more expensive in my opinion, right? However, it has a hands-on lab, meaning that you can go in AWS on a temporary environment, launch these resources, and play with AWS rather than just going through course material. Now, why do I bring up ACG then, right? Because I just want to, pass the exam. Well, I think if you were to go to the trial for ACG, it's much better, well-catered, professional, in my opinion, than Udemy. So my suggestion moving forward is go to A Cloud Guru, do their trial, see if the platform works for you, then go to Udemy, take their trial, see if their platform is working for you. By the time you finish both trials, you should be ready for the exam, to be honest, right? As long as you're studying. And then if you want a long-term study plan, you can either stay subscribed to A Cloud or AWS Skill Builder, which is $29 a month. However, it's sponsored obviously by Amazon. It has a lab so you can get experience. So these two would be better if you're trying to go on to developer, solution architect, whatever. And you have the funds, obviously. $29 a month is a lot of money. That's like a gym membership, you know what I mean? Anyways. But if you just want to practice the exam, you just want to pass, whatever, just go ahead and use Udemy, right? Go through all their courses. They got all the solutions architect as well, and they're cheaper, right? It's totally fine. The main idea is to pass the exam, right? And either to pass it in a way that everything is catered to you, or to get that hands-on experience. That's the difference between all these three. So to reiterate, my suggestion is to go through the trials. You'll be well prepared for your exam. Otherwise, if you want more material, then choose the hands-on resources. With that being, the exam is not too complicated. I think you could totally pass within 7 days. A lot of these YouTubers have been saying 3 days. I'm not as crazy as that. I like to take my time, so it's possible to get it done within a month. If that, sounds good to you, and then these resources should be good enough for you, okay? If you enjoyed this video, put a like, comment, subscribe, whatever. If you have a question, I would love to answer it, okay? Don't be shy, leave it below, all right? And with that, good luck, take care, have a good day. Bye.